Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be teaching you how to cook the almighty Ofe Owerri with just one protein. Yes, as you can see, this was the only protein I used. Let me tell you something, soup way sweet. Now hand way cook and buy the soup, no be money. At this point I am pounding the cocoyam I'll be using for the thickener of the soup. So as you can see, I'll pound, then set aside. This is the protein I used. Like I stated earlier, I have picked and washed it. So at this point, I'll introduce it into an empty pot, then add water to it. Then I will cover and start boiling or steaming, better still. Then I will come back after some time, then introduce the cocoyam that I pounded earlier into the pot. Yeah, like I tell you, you don't need much. With your chicken money, that thing when you want chop go enter your mouth. Then after which, I will introduce red palm oil into the pot. I will stir, yes. Then I'll allow it to continue cooking. But like I said earlier, food wey sweet na hand wey cook am buy the soup, no be money. If you no sabi cook, even with 1 million you no go cook food wey sweet. So as you can see, I'm introducing crayfish into the pot, and after crayfish I will introduce Ghana black pepper. I love Ghana black pepper because of its flavor. Then the next is okaji leaf. This is okaji leaf. I will introduce it into the pot. Then I will now get the ugu ready. But if you are not following this page up to this point, guys, lovely, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? At this point, I'm introducing ugu leaf. Yeah, after adding the okazi leaf, this is ugu leaf that is following suit. Then I will start stirring. Oh, the aroma is just everywhere. Remember, I only used one protein, which is dry fish. Let me tell you, if you taste this soup, in fact, like I said earlier, now soup way sweet. Any food way sweet. Now hand way cook am, na buy the soup, no be money. If you don't sabi cook, even if they give you 10 million, soup no go still sweet, food no go sweet. But with 1 naira, you see, hand wey sabi cook na be the thing. But if you are not following this page, you are really missing. By the way, let me say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for the energy, and all my intended subscribers. In fact, you see this soup is for you. This Owerri soup with one protein is for you. If you taste this soup, you'll be asking yourself, why have I not tried this all this while? Anything is possible if you have what it takes. As you can see, this is the almighty Ofe Owerri. Yes, the almighty Ofe Owerri. Remember, I used just one protein. You don't need much to get what you want. With the economy now, you can use anything you have to get what you have. Yes, use that thing you have to get what you want, just like I use only my dry fish to get what I want. Thank you for watching. Love you.